Simply having a one glass of water can make your brain work 14% faster. Psychology says the more you are thirsty, the more you can focus on anything. According to psychology, brain and mind both are two different things. Psychology says eating curd can decrease the amount of stress from your body to some point. It is physically impossible for a man to cheat on someone when he is in love. If your bladder is full and you are unable to hold in your pee, start thinking about sex and it will give you relief up to some extent. Tilting your head while looking up or while making a conversation makes you look more attractive and sexier. Being alone and spending more time with yourself is more likely to make you successful in life. %80 of people would write their name if asked to write something with a new pen. If a person laughs at a low-quality joke, then he is suffering from loneliness. It is a proven fact that our response to any situation is capable of radically changing that situation. According to psychology, if you wrote down negative thoughts and throw them away like garbage, your mood will get better. Psychology says it has been proven that orange helps reduce anxiety. That's why doctors recommend eating an orange before going to work. Psychology says never reveal your goals to anyone. It produces the equivalent effect of achieving goals in the brain. When surrounded by plants, the brain releases certain chemical which increases the thinking power of the brain. That's why walking in garden is part of some psychiatric procedures. Psychology says people who swear a lot tend to be more loyal, upfront, and honest with friends. According to psychology, you can only remember 3 or 4 things at a time. Psychology says people fascinated by serial killers are better conversationalists. Online dating and online shopping follows same psychology. Psychology says people who oversleep tend to crave more sleep. According to psychology, if you chew a gum when you study a subject, then chew the same flavor when you take the test. It can help you remember. Any friendship that was born in period between 16 and 28 years of age is more likely to be robust, long-lasting. If you yawn and someone in the room yawns also, it means they are either staring at you or are interested in you romantically. Psychology says if a part of your body falls asleep, you can always wake it up by shaking your head. Psychology says if you sit for more than 11 hours a day, there is a 50% chance you'll die within the next 3 years. A person's height is determined by their father, and their weight is determined by their mother. You can survive without eating for weeks, but you will only live 11 days without sleeping. Lonely people tend to take longer and hotter showers to replace the warmth they are lacking socially and emotionally. There is a type of jellyfish that lives forever, and yes, scientists have been using this fact to find a way to make stem cells by this process to renew dead, damaged human tissues.